Teresia Wambui ekuĩirwo kũruta mĩtugo ĩno rĩrĩa thimũ yake yonirwo nĩ mũingĩ na magĩkorera thenema iria cioetwo na thimũ yake, kũrĩa aroneka agĩthing'ĩrĩria ciana ici gĩko-inĩ gĩa kuonana kĩmwĩrĩ, ciana iria irĩ na ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 2 nginyagia mĩaka 4.
Act number 3 of 2006 and an offense of child pornography contrary to section 16(1) A and B of the Sexual Offences Act number 3 of 2006, where the respondent is the main suspect. Your Honor, the respondents operated a daycare facility named Apple Daycare at Wangige Market, which has been running for 3 years. She was operating with an average of 10 minors aged between 2 and 5. Your Honor, the respondents are alleged to have been engaging the minors into sexual activities, and in the videos obtained, sometimes she's touching their genital organs and recording them using her mobile phone.
Kũringana na mũthuthuria wa cira ũyũ, ahoete igoti rĩa Gĩkũyũ ihinda rĩa gũthuthuria ciĩko iria ikoretwo igĩtwarithio na mbere ceceni-inĩ ĩno ya mũtumia ũyũ na gũthuthuria kũrĩa aratwaraga thenema ici arĩkia gũcioya.
The videos by the Cyber Forensic Lab further to be taken for analysis at the acoustic and imaging department and storage of the said videos as evidence. Your Honor, this respondent has a pay bill account number in Equity Bank, which is also subject to investigation to establish the motivation behind the recordings.
Mũcirithania wa igoti rĩa Kikuyu Lilian Kuomboka nĩethanĩte Teresia kũhingĩrwo ceceni-inĩ ya borithi ya Kĩng'ero Kabete nginyagia ũthuthuria ũrĩke na mwĩkũĩrwo ũyũ athitangwo.
I have also taken into account the nature of the alleged offense and the circumstances therein. I do find the application merited. The same is hereby allowed. I will, however, grant 14 days, and should there be need for an extension, then the applicant shall be at liberty to move the court appropriately. We can have the matter mentioned on the 17th of October to confirm the progress of the investigation.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inoro TV kuma Kabete kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu, njĩtagwo Charles Gĩkunga wa Kariũki.